think we're going to the beach, and then I think we're going on jet skis. I'm not sure which one we're doing first, but yeah, I hope we're doing jet skis, but I think we definitely are. We're here at the beach. You excited?
Yeah. Have some big waves probably. Never know.
Coming back from the beach right now. We're going to the pool for a little bit. I just saw a little cat somewhere. Where'd that cat go?
I said I wanna be one of the greatest in eternal memory. So when I die, I hope you remember me. Yeah, I pray you remember me, man. I wanna be, I said I wanna be one of the greatest in eternal memory. So when I die, I hope you remember me. I pray you remember me, man.
Got a shower real quick. Then we're going to dinner. Shower's done, dinner time. Walking to dinner right now. Walking like more like inland on like this little island we're on. That's kind of like off the mainland. We're on the Palm Beaches right now, and we just gotta find a place to eat. It's sort of like in town. The fam's all the way back there. Under 12 and 200 pounds. Coming back from dinner now. I just caught the new ride. It's a fake penny board, but it'll work for now. It's getting late. My camera's getting all foggy. Going for a little dip in the pool. But with that, I think I'm gonna end the vlog. See ya.
I wanna be, I said I wanna be one of the greatest in eternal memory. So when I die, I hope you remember me. I pray you remember me, man. I wanna be